In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer server ownership on Discord. Before we begin, a quick note. Only the current server owner can hand off ownership, and once you do, you won't control ownership anymore unless the new owner gives it back. So choose carefully and let the person know ahead of time. First, open Discord and go to the server you want to transfer. You'll see your list of servers on the left side. Click into the one you have in mind. Then look to the very top left of the app window where the server's name appears. Click the server name to open the drop-down menu for that server. From that menu, choose Server Settings. This takes you to the dashboard where you manage roles, channels, moderation, and in our case, members. On the Settings sidebar, head to the Members section. Here you'll see a complete list of everyone in the server, along with their roles and a few quick actions you can take on each person. If your server is large, don't scroll forever. Use the search box in the top right of this members page to type the username of the person you want to make the new owner. This helps you narrow down the list and avoid confusing similar names. When you find the right member, take a moment to double check it's truly the correct account, especially if multiple people have similar display names or avatars. Now, hover over their entry in the list and click the three dots icon next to their name. A small menu will appear. Select Transfer Ownership. Discord will pop up a confirmation window to make sure you're certain. Read the prompt carefully and confirm the transfer. Depending on your settings, you might be asked for a quick confirmation or verification step. Once you accept, the transfer is complete. That's it. You've now handed ownership of the server to the selected member. From here on, they'll control server-level settings, including roles, moderation policies, and community features. Your own permissions may change based on your role, so don't be surprised if a few options you used to see are no longer available. A few quick tips to wrap up: communicate clearly with the new owner about any responsibilities they're taking on, like moderation rules, role structures, and channel organization. If your community relies on specific settings or integrations, give the new owner a brief walkthrough so nothing gets lost in transition, and always take your time with the confirmation step to ensure you've selected the right person. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you transfer server ownership smoothly and confidently.